When your clients depend on high-quality printing to make their products look great, you need to ensure that your press is providing perfect results every time. TeshCon's ChromaQA quality control software monitors the color quality of jobs at one press or multiple presses, allowing the operator to meet color specifications and catch problems early in the process, limiting waste. In 3 easy steps, you can eliminate the headaches of bad print runs and enjoy repeatable success. First, the project manager enters the job into ChromaQA according to the client's precise color specifications, including all print tolerances. Next, the pressman pulls up the job and begins taking color measurements, which are automatically entered into the software. ChromaQA then provides feedback on how to best achieve the desired target values. Once the standard is achieved, it's easy to spot check the color quality throughout the press run. Finally, ChromaQA provides data analysis and reports for clients and quality managers. To eliminate costly errors and give your clients the exact color they expect, contact TeshCon today.